something like that. While I massage that meat. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Look at that. I already cut them up. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Talk about the best. This is simple. I can cook wild shit too. I'm waiting until it gets real cold for that. Just a little something. I put them baked ribs in the oven. Look at that. About to be mashed potatoes and gravy. You see that corn rocket? See that corn rocket? Let me cut this up a little bit. Corn rocket. I'm about to be mashed potatoes and gravy. I'm about to go in the oven. Watch out now. Yeah. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yeah. Just left a little skin just to show. You know. See that? Know what that about to be? Yeah. What's that about to be? Yeah, real mashed potatoes. Corn, yo. Show you what's up. It's cooking up in here. It's cooking up in here. It's cooking up in here. Cool. That shit right there. The ribs, boy. That shit right there. It's about to be gone. Right here. The ribs, boy. Yeah. It's that sauce hit them bitches. I'm about to chop them onions up. Yeah. Gravy, mushrooms. Yeah. I'm about to see them transform into mashed potatoes and gravy. Corn going in there. That gravy right there. You know what I mean? That gravy. Come to the center. Got that rib. I'm cutting it up. Got that rib. I'm cutting it up. Yes, sir. It's going to be cut up and put in the oven. Seasoning real good. Tune in. Jerome's RC Car Life 216. I will be posting this and uploading on my YouTube channel. Have a nice day, folks. Have a safe, blessed, and enjoyable evening. Yeah. Come on, yeah. The baked ribs. Yeah. The homemade mashed potatoes with the cheese. Yeah, let me get my little potato. That gravy. Yeah. Yes, sir. I'ma talk me well. Yes, sir. Ain't nothing I can't cook. Yes, sir. Tune in. Jerome's RC Car Life 216. Stop the violence. It's my YouTube channel. Tune in.